There you go, Bruce. So the pan is heating up. Okay, I'm gonna measure how much rice I'm making. I'm gonna fill. There you go. So yeah, I've got my onion and my garlic. So this is heating up. I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil, just a little bit. That's enough. Yeah. Okay, now that it's warm, now add my onion and my garlic. Okay, now just stir just a little bit so the onion becomes transparent. Yeah? Just until it becomes transparent. Okay, so now the onion is transparent and it's now a little brown. You add the rice. Yeah, and now you're gonna stir, mix it all together until the rice is warm. How do you measure? You just touch like this. See, right now it's cold. And you keep on stirring until the rice is warm. In the meantime, you can add a bit of salt. So just a teaspoon, that should be enough. There you go. And then you stir, make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. So you gotta mix well. Yeah, until it's warm. Let's see. Still cold. There you go. So see that now the whole thing is becoming brownish. So yeah, it's hot. So I just added some boiling water to it. Okay, now this usually happens. Well, what do? Get out of the heat. I'm gonna fill my second mug of water. So that's the measure. 1 mug of rice for 2 of water. There you go. Yeah? And now you mix nicely. Now I'm gonna move it back to the heat. It's gonna boil. I'm gonna reduce to a low heat, so 3. Cover. See, it's boiling. Cover, and I'll just leave it there. Leave it until it's dry. Okay, so that's been what, 10-15 minutes? Now this is really important. Remember to keep the lid, yeah, half open, just a little opening so the rice can breathe, yeah? Now let's check if it's done. Check for a bit of water in the bottom. There's no water in the bottom. Oh shit. There you go. So when there's no water in the bottom, see the rice is quite loose. You can even taste it. Perfect. Close it. Off. Leave it there for 2-3 minutes and then enjoy. Have fun.